Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get Notepad open. Um, I have the Black Goose text downloaded already. So we're just going to start very first, just kind of getting an idea of the workflow. So I'm going to minimize this. Okay, so finding Notepad, I'm going to go down to my little search bar. I'm going to type in note. Oh, comes up already. And boom. All right, so there's Notepad. Okay, doesn't look like much, but this is a basic text editor made for writing, HTML, CSS, anything you want to do. You can make a whole website using this. All right, so just to show you guys we're going to kind of do this, because it's a couple steps till we see the page. I'm just going to show you like a little test here. So I'm just going to write the words in here. Hi guys. And I'm not even putting any tags on it or anything. Okay. So the process that we'll do is we'll put some text in, we'll mark it up, we'll save it first as like a Notepad text document, and then we'll save it again as an HTML. So I'm just going to go through that process right now. So I'm going to go File, Save. And for this, it would be helpful if you made like a little week 1 folder just on your desktop, or just something really simple right now. So everything that you kind of do can go into there. So let's see, I'll pretend I'm like you. I'm going to desktop. Oh, I already have my week 1 folder. And right here, it's got like a little star and then dot text. So I'm going to leave the dot text. I'm just going to click in there and write practice _1. Okay, so then I'm going to save it. So now it's only a text doc. So if I double click on that folder, I'll see it there. Oh, there it is. Let me get out of there. Now I'm going to go File, Save As, and where it says Save As Type, it's text document. I'm going to switch that to all files by hitting the little down arrow here. And after that, after the 1, I'm just going to click and write .html. Okay? That makes it like a web viewable file. So I'm going to hit save. Boop. All right. Now, to see like what I did, I'm going to open that folder again. And now I have 2 folders. One's an HTML file and one's a text document. So this is my my HTML file that I could preview in a browser, okay, to see what's going on. All right, so for the homework or for the practice, like you're going to have a text document, which will be all marked up. You'll have the practice 1 as an HTML, and you can just refer to both as you go along. This is going to be the same steps for your homework when you hand it in. For the recipes, you're going to hand in the text document that's going to be all marked up, and then you're going to hand in the HTML file, which should look like kind of nice. So let's just see how we can open that. Practice 1. Practice 1, I'm going to right click on it, open with, and I'm just going to pick a browser file, or browser, Chrome. Boop. Okay. There it is right there in a browser window. If I clicked over here, I could see, oh, there's Blackboard. Now this doesn't look like anything, but that's it. Okay, so as we add more to this, you'll see like, oh, this is like really changing. It looks quite different than my Notepad document.